Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer orders with WooCommerce, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer orders with WooCommerce, first log in to your WordPress dashboard. In the left sidebar, click on WooCommerce. Next, select orders from the drop-down menu. You will see a list of all your existing orders on the orders page. To transfer a specific order, locate the order you want to transfer. Click on the order number to open the order details. Once in the order details, review the customer's information and order status. If you need to change the order status, select the desired status from the drop-down menu. After that, navigate to the bottom of the page where you can find the Order Actions drop-down. From the Order Actions drop-down, choose Export Order. This option will allow you to download the order in CSV format. If you plan to transfer orders to another WooCommerce store, you will need to use a plugin. Find and install a plugin that supports order export and import, such as WooCommerce Order Export. Once the plugin is installed, activate it from the Plugins page. Navigate back to the WooCommerce section in your dashboard. Look for the option related to the installed export plugin. Select Export Orders to generate a new file. Customize your export settings if necessary, like choosing specific date ranges or order types. Once configured, export and download the file containing your orders. To import these orders into another WooCommerce store, log in to that store's dashboard. Navigate to the WooCommerce section again, then find the import option from the same plugin. Upload the CSV file you previously downloaded. Follow the import wizard steps to map the necessary fields accurately. Make sure to check the order statuses and other important information once imported. Finally, review the imported orders to confirm they match the original details. With these steps completed, you have successfully transferred orders using WooCommerce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.